The studio has been operated for more than 20 years in the island of Bali, and it was founded by our creative director that came from a creative family, and now it operates by 9 young women in the office, and we have over than 50 people in our studio. We have clients in more than 20 countries, and we are developing and producing for our clients currently for more than 4 dozen clients globally. Really, our strength is about the flexibility. It can be wedding ring, it can be skulls, it can be belt buckles. Depends on client sensibility of design and their aesthetic design. Really, our biggest strength is to immerse ourselves in the vision of our client's brand. Although our team has a strong background in handcrafting jewelry, as the technology advances as well as our clients' needs, Soliscape allows us the detail and efficiency that we need for the design. We have tried many printers and nothing compared to Soliscape. We have 2 Soliscape printers in our studio that allows us to direct cast in our casting department. Embracing technologies with the theme of over 50, we realize an open-minded approach. It allows us to reach the new level in what's possible. We're designing from a paper to a finished piece with our design team and our CAD drawer to have an ability to print it with our Soliscape 3D printers. A large percentage of our group has been with us for 10 to 15 years, and the entire management is managed by young women, traditionally breaking the cultural norms in the part of our world. We live in the tropical paradise. They call it the island of the gods. We are 5 minutes from the beach and half an hour from the jungle, so the inspiration always with us.